work out the integral of cot squared x dx. So integral cot squared x dx. First of all, you have to use 1 plus cot squared a is equal to cosec squared a. So if we rewrite this as cosec squared minus 1, because cot squared, it will be cosec squared a minus 1. Now, d dx of cot x, and you sort of know this from the derivative, is d dx of cos x over sine x. You can differentiate this using the quotient rule. The quotient rule is u over v. d dx of u over v is v du by dx minus u dv by dx over v squared. So this is going to be sine x times the differential of u, which is minus cos x, minus sine x, minus u, which is cos x, times the differential sine x, which is cos x, all over sine squared x. So that's going to give you minus sine squared x plus cos squared x over sine squared x. Now you might recognise this as 1. So it gives you minus 1 over sine squared x, which is minus cosec squared x. So the differential of the integral of cosec squared is going to be minus cot x, and then the integral of 1 is going to be minus x plus c, and that's actually the final answer. So your ability to be able to integrate depends really on your ability to be able to differentiate. Now normally this is in some sort of formula booklet. Okay, I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.